The American van market has always been about bold design, unshakable strength, and delivering space that feels limitless, and the 2026 GMC Savana Yukon Denali takes that legacy to an entirely new level. This is not just a van. It's a commanding presence on wheels designed for those who demand luxury, practicality, and raw performance in one refined package. The first thing that grips you is its powerful exterior. With sculpted lines, a bold Denali grille finished in chrome, and headlights that combine cutting-edge LED technology with a sleek modern profile. It's a van that doesn't just blend into traffic, it stands above it. And that's exactly what makes the 2026 Savana Yukon Denali so special. It's both a workhorse and a statement of prestige. Under the hood, GMC offers robust engine options that pack serious strength, whether you need it for hauling, road trips, or daily heavy-duty use. The ride is remarkably smooth thanks to enhanced suspension tuning, and despite its size, the handling feels more refined and confident compared to its predecessors. Step inside and the transformation continues. This is where Denali luxury truly shines. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, and advanced climate control turn the cabin into a first-class experience. The driver's cockpit is tech-forward, featuring a large infotainment screen with seamless connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system that makes every journey immersive. Passengers in the rear aren't forgotten either. Ample legroom, reclining captain's chairs, USB-C charging ports, and even optional entertainment systems turn long rides into pure comfort. Safety is another cornerstone of this van, with features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this big machine surprisingly easy. GMC has clearly gone above and beyond to blend capability with peace of mind. Whether you're considering it for family adventures, business needs, or as a luxury shuttle, the 2026 Savana Yukon Denali adapts effortlessly. It can tow, it can carry, and it can impress all at once. This is where American vans prove they're more than just transportation. They're lifestyle vehicles. Honest Auto Wheels can confidently say that the 2026 GMC Savana Yukon Denali sets a new benchmark in its class, balancing rugged utility with Denali sophistication in a way that few vehicles can match. If you want space, strength, safety, and undeniable luxury in one stunning package, the Savana Yukon Denali is the van that delivers it all. This is more than just a van. It's the ultimate expression of American versatility and premium craftsmanship.